Hi, and welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a new product and how to edit an existing one. To open the Products page, select Payment Provider Services from the main menu, then choose Products. Here, you'll see a list of any products you've already created. If you haven't created any products yet, the list will be empty. To create a new product, click Add New. A form will open where you can enter the product details. Start by entering the product name and product description. Only the product name is required, but it's recommended that you also add a clear description. Since these products are sold online, your customers may not have the opportunity to ask questions before making their purchase. A good description helps them understand exactly what they're buying. Next, enter the pricing information, including the currency and the price. The price must always be entered in the smallest unit of the selected currency. For example, if you choose British pounds, enter the amount in pence. If you choose euros, enter the amount in cents. Don't include a decimal point. So instead of entering 2.34, enter 234. Below the price are two additional fields, used only for subscription products and services. The first is recurring interval, which can be set to day, week, month, or year. The second is recurring interval count. This specifies how many interval units pass between each payment. For example, if the recurring interval is month and the interval count is 3, the customer will be charged every 3 months. If the interval count is 1, they will be charged every month. If your product is a one-off purchase, leave both of these fields blank. If you're creating a subscription product, both fields must be completed. Let's look at 2 examples. First, we'll create a one-off product. Enter the product name Eye Test. For the description, enter a complete eye health check with advanced imaging. Select GBP as the currency. The price is £100, so enter 10,000, which represents 10,000 pence. Because this is a one-off purchase, leave the recurring fields empty. Click Save. The new product now appears in the product list. Next, we'll create a subscription product. Click Add New again. Enter the product name Daily Contact Lenses Monthly Subscription. We'll leave the description blank for this example. Select GBP as the currency. The subscription costs £25, so enter 2,500. Set the recurring interval to month and set the recurring interval count to 1. This means the customer will be charged £25 every month. Click Save. The subscription product now appears in the product list. Next, let's edit the subscription product we just created and add a description. From the product list, click the pencil icon next to the product you want to edit. This opens the product editing form. Enter a description. In this example, we'll use 30 pairs of daily disposable lenses delivered to your home every month. You'll also notice that the pricing information fields are no longer editable. Instead, they have been replaced with price data, which displays the current default pricing information for the product. Click Save to apply your changes. You've now learned how to create new products, set up both one-off and subscription items, and edit existing products. Your products are now ready to be used with other payment provider services, such as Payment Links and Stripe Checkout, allowing your customers to purchase products or subscribe to services online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.